Good morning, class. As we have discussed the example of exercise 11.4, chapter perimeter and area, chapter 11. So now today we will discuss example number 21, as we have discussed example number 20 in the last class. Chapter 11, chapter name, perimeter and area. So exercise 11.4, example number 21. So there is a figure in example number 21. The figure looks like this. There is a square ABCD, and under it there is another square. The name of the square is PQRS. Actually, it is a path. The reason between the two square, it is a path. It is a path of width 5 meter. The width is 5 meter. Okay, and the question is that a path of 5 meter width, is run along inside a square path. Is run along a, this is a square, this is the field in the shape of a square, and around it there is a path of 5 meter width, and we have to find the area of the path. We have to find what is the area of this path, and also find what is the cost of constructing this area. What is the cost of constructing this path around the field? So what is the measurement of this side, this square path? That is 100 meter. It is given. Okay. So the side of the square ABCD is equals to 100 meter. Okay, and when we exclude these 5 meter path from the side of square ABCD, then we find the side of the length of the side of square PQRS. So the length of side of the square PQRS is 100 minus 5 from this side and 5 from that side also, that is 90 meter. Okay, so we have the side of we have the length of the side of square PQRS and the length of the side of square ABCD. So now we can find the area of both the square. The area of square PQRS is, as we know that the formula is side square. So 90 square will give 8100 meter square, and the area of square ABCD is also side square, and what is the measurement of side? That is 100 square, 10,000 meter square. Okay. Now, if we have to find, as we have to find the area of the path, so when we subtract the area of square ABCD to area of square PQRS, then we have the area of the path, which is around square PQRS. So first note it down, then I will do the next, the remaining part. So now we find the area of the path. The area of the path around square PQRS is equals to area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS. And now we subtract the area of square ABCD to area of square PQRS. As we find earlier, 10,000 meter square is the area of square ABCD, and 8100 is the area of square PQRS. When you subtract it, you find 1900 meter square. That is the area of the path around the square PQRS. Okay. So now we have to find the cost. The rate of cementing, 10 meter square. If we have to cementing the 10 meter square area, then we have to give 250 rupees for that. So from here, what is the rate of cementing 1 meter square area? That is rupees 250 upon 10, that is rupees 25. Okay. So now, what is the cost of cementing? The cost of cementing 1900 meter square area is rupees 25 into 1900. So what will we get? Rupees 47,500. First note it down, then I will explain it again. Okay. So in the question is that there is a square field named PQRS there, and around it there is a path. Okay. So when we include the path around the square PQRS, so we have another square shape, that is ABCD. We name it ABCD, and we have to find the area of the path and also find what is the cost of cementing of the path. Okay, and the rate of cementing is given, that is 10 rupees 250 for 10 meter square area, and the side of this square ABCD is given 100 meter. Okay, so when we if we have to find the area of the path, then we have to subtract the area of square ABCD to the area of square PQRS. Okay, we will do we have done the same thing here. The area of the path around square PQRS, and we find earlier that area of square ABCD is 10,000, as the side of ABCD is given 100 meter. So when we calculate it, it gives 10,000 meter square is the area of square ABCD. Okay, and after that, when we have to find the length of the side, as we have to find the area of square PQRS. For that, we have to find the length of the side of this square PQRS. So for that, the side of when we find the side of square PQRS, then we subtract 5 from this side and 5 meter from this side to the 100 meter. Then we have the length of the side of square PQRS as 90 meter, and then we find the area of square PQRS. Then we have 90 meter, 8100 meter square area of the square PQRS. Okay, now as we have to find the area of path around the square PQRS, so area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS is given 1900 meter square. Okay, so now what is the cost of cementing? As the rate of cementing 10 meter square is given rupees 250. So from here we find the rate of cementing for 1 meter square area is rupees 25, and as we have to find the area of the cost of cementing the whole area, that is 1900 meter square. So the cost of cementing 1900 meter square is rupees 25 into 1900. So here we have the final answer, rupees 47,500 is the cost of cementing. So now we will discuss the next example. Example 22. there is a rectangular field and from between this rectangular field there is a path which goes like this. Okay, and we have to find the area of this path. Okay, so first name it. ABCD is the rectangular field and this is the shaded region. This is the shaded region and name it as PQRS, and here EFGH, and there is a square in between the crossing of the path. Name it as KLMN. First, I will explain it orally. Then we will do it in written form. And before that, we have to write the measurements. The width of this rectangular field is 45 meter, and the length is 70 meter. Okay, and this is the width of this region is 5 meter everywhere throughout the field, 5 meter. Okay, so first let me explain it orally, then we will do it in written form. As we have to find the area of this path. Okay, so you can see here there is two rectangles, that is EFGH and PQRS, and we have to find the length and width of these rectangles for the finding of the area. So 45 meter is the width of this rectangle PQRS, and what is the length of PQRS? That is 5 meter. Okay, and what is the length of EFGH? That is 70 meter, that is given, and what is the width? That is 5 meter, that which is given, that the width of the path all over the field is 5 meter. Okay, so when you calculate the area of these two paths, you include this region KLMN. It is like squares. Okay, 2 times. You will include it 2 times. So for finding the exact area, we have to exclude one time area of KLMN, the square KLMN. Okay. Now, as we discussed the example 22 orally, now we will going to solve it in written form. Okay. In the next, we will do the written form of this example in the next class. Okay, because so it's all over for today. We will do it in the next class. Thank you, class. And your homework is revise whatever I have done in the class.